everybody, this is Carrie, and today I'm going to be making a special basket for my best friend. So far, I have harvested purple kale, chard, cilantro. Just look at that. So I'm going to complete this basket by harvesting more lettuce. Place it in this basket here. And over here. Over here. And I'm going to harvest some red up. I don't know if you can see it or not. This red up spinach. I'm going to put it here to give it color. And I have harvested some cherry tomatoes, and I'm going to put it here. And this is going to be for my best friend dinner tonight. So